The effects between in-person web-facilitated learning and online learning on an end-of-course Algebra 1 high school classroom by Karina Lascano. Educational institutions are becoming more conscious of the potential impact of integrating technology as part of the learning environment in the classroom. The outbreak of the coronavirus disease led to the closure of many educational institutions. Educational leaders formulated a new way of learning to reduce the spread of COVID-19, and online learning was chosen to avoid the disruption of learning. This study chosen is to find the effects between in-person web-facilitated learning and online learning on an end-of-course algebra high school classroom. A group of 90 students were chosen from FAR San Juan Alamo North High School who did not get a passing score on the State of Texas Assessment of Academic Readiness, also known as STAR, for Algebra 1 after completing the course online. The students will retake the course, meeting synchronously in a classroom and completing all the coursework online. The comparison will be made between the May 2021 test administration on the STAR Algebra 1 to represent the effects of online learning and the November 2021 mock test administration of the STAR Algebra 1 will describe the impact of an in-person web-facilitated learning. In-person web-based learning and online learning. This type of learning is closely familiar to traditional in-person learning, which is both teacher-led and involves real-time interaction with students. However, with in-person web-based learning, the teacher and the students need to meet simultaneously and at the same location. Web-based learning include online classes, online assignments, tutorial videos, online assessments, online tutoring, and class websites. Many studies have shown positive results when integrating in-person e-learning methods. A significant concern when utilizing online learning is the impact of human connection and communication. Having teachers and students face-to-face provides support lacking in an online course. Students were pleased that a teacher was physically available for consultation and advice. Interaction functions of web-based learning can now replace the teacher's monitoring and communication with students. Online learning is a type of learning when education takes place entirely online. The infection disease, COVID-19, affected the education system. Online learning is defined learning that can occur anywhere using any device with internet access and can be taken synchronous or asynchronous. PSJ School District offered synchronous learning where students had to follow their schedules and attend live classes simultaneously. But challenges did occur. The sudden changes for students to an online learning environment caused several obstacles and challenges. Some students did not have the necessary technology, a computer, or an internet access, causing them to fall behind on assignments and lessons. Some students experienced technical issues such as slow connection, forgotten credentials, basic knowledge of computer skills, and the teacher's voice cutting off during the lesson. Due to district policies, students need to contact the campus technician to troubleshoot any issues. Students also experience distractions not normally present in a traditional classroom, such as siblings taking over the other classes of the same room, parents doing chores or having conversations due to work-at-home conditions. They have access to video games and other activities. Teachers as well could not accurately check for understanding since they could not be physically present for students. It was a challenge for teachers as it's not easy to read body language or facial expressions through a camera, or in most cases, sometimes the lack of to check if a student understands the presented material. What is the difference in STAR results for Algebra 1 assessment administered by the Texas Education Agency, also known as TEA, if a student takes an online course at home versus a web-based in-person class with an instructor in the same room and a classroom. This study aims to see the differences in comparing the results in terms of learning motivation and academic accomplishment. Research design. The resource available for this study included an online curriculum written from PSJ-ISD to cover the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills, the TEKS, which are the state standards for Texas Algebra 1 course. Microsoft Teams was used to give the daily lessons, which students may view on an interactive board or their own laptops. All assignments are interactive online activities, and assessments were administered using Google Forms. The students have taken this course at home, and their scores did not meet the passing requirements when they took the STAR exam assessment in May of 2021. The students received a score of less than 3550, and they were strategically placed in a course in a semester-long instruction, and the STAR test will be administered in December 2021. The only two factors that changed was that last time the students took the course at home, and this year they're going to be taking it in the classroom with a teacher present at all times. This will contribute to the observation and data gathering of the study conducted. Data analysis. The STAR test results from May 2021 and the local mock exam from November 2021 will be utilized to compare the students' performance between an in-person web-facilitated learning and online learning. The data will be organized by grade level and gender. The quantitative data will reflect the student achievement in the STAR assessment at the end of a 3-month web-based learning environment. The data collected in this study will provide the effectiveness of in-person web-facilitated learning rather than an online education for a STAR mathematics course. Results. STAR results from the May 2021 administration are shown below, broken into categories. This table shows the average number of test questions correctly after taking an online course from home versus a mock exam the students presented in November 2021 after taking the in-person web-based course in the classroom. Each category showed a significant increase in the number of questions that the student answered correctly. The average of all 90 participants in the study is shown in this table. The data shows a 47.8 increase after the students took the same web course in person and in the classroom. Conclusion. After evaluating the collected data, comparing the student's course when taking an online course and an in-person web-facilitated course, the study demonstrated the students provided positive results when support from a face-to-face teacher instead of behind a screen. The results indicated higher scores on the 5 categories covered by the TEKS from an Algebra 1 STAR course. Overall, the data collected showed a significant increase in the average course and has provided confidence in the students after completing the Accelerated Algebra 1 course in person through web-facilitated learning.